Morning, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris, Canopies 4x4 back here again. What do we got? We have an all-black Isuzu D-Max 2025 model here for a few bits and pieces. We're going to get our ADR-approved tow bar fitted on this bad boy. We're going to go ahead, we're going to get the plug-and-play wiring harness fitted to it as well, which has got the automatic sensor cutoff, which is absolutely awesome. And then we're going to go ahead, we're going to get a tubliner in this bad boy. You can see it's already got the mat, and you've already got all of the little scratches that are appearing on the ute as it is. So we're going to do what we can to minimize that, right? We want to keep the brand new ute brand new, and we've got a set of side steps that are going to go on it as well. So does that count as a build? Fuck it, it's a build. It's a mini build. We'll get into it, and I'll see you guys at the end.
guys, Daniel from Canopies and 4x4 here. We've just finished up working on this Isuzu D-Max, a nice new model of Isuzu D-Max. We've got our Tubliner in the tub. That's going to protect your paintwork, that's going to protect anything sliding around in the tub. It's not going to scratch up that beautiful paintwork underneath there. Give us a call if you want to have a look at any of these products and we'll be able to help you out. Our number is 029627 8666. Thanks so much guys, have a good day.